everyone. So it's Friday and we just arrived in Townsville last night, stayed at a campsite, and now it's about 11 o'clock and we just came to the strand here in Townsville. It's like a man-made pool. You can't really swim in the ocean because of the jellyfish right now, but they do have a stinging net over there as well.
We'll go check out the stinging net afterwards.
Yeah, but we're just gonna have a little dip in this little pool. It looks quite nice actually. And then it's about a 3.5 hour drive down to Airlie Beach where we need to be tonight because of the skydive tomorrow morning. I'm so nervous. The first thing I thought about when I woke up this morning was that I'm doing a skydive in 2 days. Well, in like 1 day now, so.
Yeah, we paid for it today, so there's no going back now.
No going back. It's really nice with all the mountains in the background. Now we're just gonna head to this little restaurant up here. Grab some drinks, I think. So we just stopped in Bowen. It is about 6 o'clock, is it? I can't see. About 5 o'clock. We stopped at this place called Horseshoe Bay because we just looked up places on Google to stop between Townsville and Ellie, and we found this one, and it's so windy. I don't know if you can see my hair, but it's so windy outside, so I'm doubting if the skydive will even happen tomorrow, but we shall see. We were planning on maybe having like a little barbecue, but we'll see. It might be too windy. It is so windy.
Oh no, look.
Oh no! We have booked a campsite for the night. It was the same one we stayed at last time called Sea Breeze. We really, really loved it, and it's actually quite chilly. So I'm wearing Tommy's top. It's very comfy.
No, I'm wearing Tommy's top also.
Yes. Do you think you'll swim? Good morning everyone, the day has finally come. It is Saturday the 11th of December and I'm gonna be, no it's the 12th of December and I'm gonna be jumping out of a plane today. Something I never thought I'd do. I have my skydive booked for today, if you didn't understand, and I'm super scared. It's 8 o'clock now, we need to leave now. We were gonna meet them like 8:45. Like I've been crying ever since I knew I was gonna do this because I'm so scared. I haven't told my parents I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna send them a video when it's done because I know they'd like freak out. Although I have told my dad because he's done it too, and he said it was the scariest thing he's ever done in his life, so that calmed me down. No, but he was jumping out of a plane like without someone on my back. I'm gonna be having someone on my back. I'm doing it here in Airlie Beach, so I'll be looking out over the Whitsundays, which should be a really nice view. I'm a bit nervous because the weather forecast still says like wind for today at like 9-10 o'clock, which is when I'm going to be doing my jump. But we'll see what they say. I guess they know what they're doing. And I'm just wearing this like sports bra from Cotton On Body and these jean shorts from Cotton On because Tommy said like the straps kind of like tug at you, so wear something like this. Last night we just got an Indian. We were gonna go out have a barbecue, but it was too windy, so we just went to this place called like Lovely India, and it was really, really good actually. I'll see you afterwards. I am surprisingly calm right now, but I know I'm gonna freak out in the airplane because it's a 20-minute airplane ride up. Hello.
You ready?
Yeah.
Feeling good?
Yeah. We are here. We're really nervous.
Yeah, how are you feeling?
Excited, but really nervous.
Ready to jump out of a plane? 14,000 feet. We're going to jump out of a plane. These guys. And we're going to land on the beach.
It's just started pouring with rain. So we're having to wait to even see if we're allowed to jump. Oh no.
Not so good.
We are at Cape Hillsborough. And on low tide you can walk out to this island over here, but it's very, very rocky.
But we're waiting for the kangaroos to come down to
I just want to let you guys know that we couldn't do the skydive today, which was really unfortunate because of the weather. It was too windy to go up, which obviously sucked because like I was all hyped. I was actually quite excited in the car. Obviously super nervous, but yeah, now I'm gonna have to go through all that again because we did get, I feel like there's a spider on me. We did get like a 12-month voucher, so we can do it again. So we could go down doing Sunshine Coast, but we think that we might want to just save it and make a little weekend of it, probably after Christmas, because it's currently 12th of December. And then we just had lunch in Airlie, went to a little cafe, and then we headed off, and now we're in Cape Hillsborough because that was a place a lot of people recommended. They have a national park, they have a massive beach here that we were just at, and you can like walk out to a little island. They have lots of kangaroos on the beach for sundown and for sunrise. So we were trying to find the kangaroos, but it's not quite sunset, so we only found some kangaroos up here, which I was feeding before. I have a little video of that, so I'll show you that.
Oh, they both like it.
So soft. This is the first time I stroke a kangaroo in the wild. What? Look, he's just biting his nail.
No, he's not interested in your banana.
Hello.
Now he is. That's nice, eh? Mr. Kangaroo. Not too hot on the stroking, for sure.
Could I have done skydive? Sorry, something bit me. Life of being in Australia. We're probably gonna try and make it to Yeppoon today, because from Yeppoon is where you take the boat ferry to Keppel, and we want to go to Keppel Island. It looks really pretty, so that's our next step. It's about 4.5 hours to Keppel, so better set off soon. It's 5 o'clock now, so yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hello. These are the same ones we were feeding banana before, I think. They really like the banana. He's coming. Oh, here comes the other one. You want some too? I can give you some.
It's like a donkey head with a little mouse's nose. Oh, you want to see if she's got something better, do you?
No, no banana today, mister. You're so cute. I have one little cashew left. Yeah, that was all. That was all. Going to Great Keppel Island. It's absolutely gorgeous. We're just trying to find Long Beach. We are trying to find Monkey Beach and Long Beach. We're going to go snorkeling on Monkey Beach because apparently that's the best. We're walking in this little pathway that looks like a secret pathway.
Yeah, no one's come down here yet, so we're going to be the brave ones.
Yeah, I look really funny in my hat. Oh, the water here seems to be really, really clear. I already took a dip over on the other beach. We were walking the wrong way first. But apparently it's like a 30-40 minute walk to Long Beach, which is one of the nicest beaches in Australia, apparently. Lots of coconuts in there. We don't have time for that right now. Bring lots of water, guys. It's a trick. Okay, apparently it's a nudist beach. Did not realise that. No, Tommy! Looks unreal. There is a massive storm out there and we're just about to head out to the reef for a little snorkel before it hits. So we just went for a little snorkel here on Monkey Beach because we thought it would be the last of the sun, because there's a thunderstorm going on over there.
But it's pretty loud.
Yeah, you can hear the thunder, but I don't know, I'm not sure if you can hear it on the camera, but it's really dark over here. And we just went for a snorkel on the reef and we saw some cool things.
That was our view of the good weather over there.
We saw a stingray and we saw some parrotfish.
There's triggerfish, which was I was surprised.
Yeah, triggerfish are the fish that can attack you. We saw one on our dive and it almost tried to attack us, so.
Yeah. And the sign for it, if you're a diver, is trigger.
Now we're gonna head back towards the mainland. I think it was about an hour walk to get out here. So we're gonna go to a cafe, well, mainland, we're on an island. So we're gonna head back to where all the cafes are. Maybe pick up some lunch before we need to catch the ferry back. Started pouring down with rain, so we just went to this little cute cafe. Got something to eat. I tried this vegan ice cream, it was pretty good. So it is, I don't even know what's the date on the day. It's the 14th of December. Today we made it, or last night we made it here to 1770, where we have been lots of times, as you probably know by my vlogs. But this time we're staying at this really cute camp called Horizon Kangaroo Sanctuary, and they have so many kangaroos here and they're really used to people, so that's really, really cute. There's our little van. They've got a really cute kitchen, so we just had breakfast and it's quite a nice view here. Quite nice.
Let's go find the roots.
Yes, and some of them have joeys. They're all just chilling.
Apparently all of them are rescued abandoned joeys.
Oh god, the bird scared them. Look at the baby sticking out of the pouch. I think he's actually too big to get in, but... Oh look, and there's the peacock. So me and Tommy are here in Chinaman's Beach, which was like the first place we started hanging out, kind of. Yeah, we used to come down here and camp and have barbecues, so that's exactly what we're doing right now. Trying to set up. We're trying to, it's really windy though. And we've got like our gear, oh, that is not a Woolworths thing that we've stolen.
Definitely.
Don't worry.
This is our old spot. We used to rent a car here each weekend, spend way too much money just to come down and hang out on the beach.
And I vlogged those times.
Which you have seen already.
And we both just bought some bracelets now.
Boris? No. Bert
The turtle that we saw when we were diving. Let's see if this works. It is super, super windy and really dangerous to go swimming in that water on Chinaman's when it's this rough. So the barbecue worked. A little burnt, but it's fine.
Check it out.
Check it out.
We're eating lunch today, baby.
Yeah. We got some cheese, we got some tomatoes, got some onion, some burger bread. Well,
the next morning.
I'm rooting for this bird.
Yeah.
This bird's coming back.
This bird.
I'm on this bird's side.
Although you're feeling mistaken, you know you can't touch him like that, and under the water, thanks.
Today it is the 15th of December and we arrived here in Tin Can Bay last night, and we checked into this campsite called Fisherman's Caravan Park or something, and I heard that they do dolphin feeding here in Tin Can Bay, so we checked that out this morning. We got there at 7 AM, there were so many people there, so we didn't end up leaving until like an hour later because there were so many people that just wanted to feed the dolphins. So we got to get in the water and feed some wild dolphins, which was really cool. That was my first time ever feeding dolphins. My younger self would have absolutely freaked out if I knew that I was feeding wild dolphins right now. It was only $10 per person, which was quite good. Now we're gonna head to Rainbow Beach because I haven't been there yet, just check out the beach, and then we're gonna carry on down to Noosa, so that's cool. It's like 9 o'clock now, which is a lot earlier than we normally set off. So we're on Rainbow Beach, but it's really black. I think it's because the ashes, because Fraser Island's burning badly, and the water's all brown.
Yeah, it's crazy how much of the burnt trees and stuff washed up on the beach here.
We just got to Noosa and we stopped for some lunch. I got a acai bowl.
I didn't even have my wasabi lined up.
It's 2 o'clock now. Tommy got sushi. Good morning, it is the next day. We left last night, we just had a little barbecue. It was lovely, and now we're doing the Noosa National Park walk. We're going to go to the fairy pools where I have been before, but I can't wait to go back. Beautiful day.
There was a king tide last night.
No, it was.
I feel like a weather reporter. King tide in Australia last night. Nah, to be fair, when we saw going through Noosa town, like the water level was super high, so we thought we'd be in trouble going to the fairy pools. But looking at this beach, it looks pretty good.
It does look pretty good. Just ordered some lunch from Grilled.
100% natural.
It's a cute packaging.
Is it vegan?
I think it's, I don't know if it's vegan. It's definitely vegetarian. Yeah, thank you. So guys, I'm in my classic video editing top. This is just my pajama top because it's like the only big baggy t-shirt I have. Anyway, that's not what this is about. I just came in here to say thank you so much for watching this video. In this video, we actually travelled from Airlie Beach all the way down to Noosa, and I checked on the map and that's like 11 hours of drive time in total. Obviously we did it over a few days. But yeah, so this was the route we did from Airlie Beach, and then we stopped off obviously in quite a few places which you saw. But yeah, this is the second last East Coast road trip video, and then I obviously have lots of other videos from what we've been doing over the past few months since ending our road trip, so you have those to look forward to as well. And yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for all the love and support and for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and you want to see more travel content on my channel, and give us some video requests in the comments. And yeah, follow my socials if you haven't already. Also subscribe if you haven't clicked the subscribe button. Definitely do that, because then you won't miss any of my uploads. And if you definitely don't want to miss an upload, press that bell button, because then you'll get a notification every time I upload. But yeah, I love you all so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I would like to get to know it.